Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using Webflow for beginners in 2024. So today, we're going to show you how to start using Webflow. Of course, Webflow is a powerful website builder that combines the flexibility of a CMS with the control of a custom code. So allowing you to this will allow you to design, build, and even launch a responsive website visually. So let's dive into the steps to get you started with Webflow in 2024. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Basically, just type webflow.com and hit the enter button. This should take you into the home screen or main screen of Webflow right away. So if it's your first time, you'll not find yourself here in the dashboard right away. So you'll find yourself on this screen instead. So if you have an account by any chance, just go here and click on login to log in into your account. You can use Google if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of logging into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll be able to click on get started to create an account. You can use also Google to create an account so you don't have to fill up all the information by your own. It's going to be boring. Once you created your account, as an example, you'll find yourself here on your dashboard. Let's say as an example, I don't have this. So I'll just go here to settings. I don't know if you can delete this. So you can archive it at least. So let me just archive it so it does not appear here. Of course, so it says testing, that's the name of it, archive site. So yeah, as you can see, if it's your first time, you'll find yourself on a dashboard like this where you have nothing. All sites, you have nothing. So for us, we'll have to go and create a new site. To do so, all you need to do is simply click on create a new site. Here, of course, here you can create some folders, example. If you have, or if you want to create multiple sites on Webflow, you would like, you would like to create a folder, maybe for gaming, maybe another folder for, I don't know, maybe another folder for like professional. Maybe this is going to be for stores, for anything. Like that's meaningful and etc. So now just go and click on whatever folder you want. As example, maybe I'll just go back here and click on the gaming. Why not? Then I'll be able to click on new site at the top right corner. Once I click on it, as you can see, the way or select the way that you can start it. So you can start by a blank site as example, and you can start by a template. So if I go and click on start by a blank site, we'll have to give it a name. So I'll name it just says, then click on create a site. So once I do so, as an example, let me just wait for the page until it loads. It should not take a lot of time. So as you can see, I'll find myself right here. So get started. And as you can see, you'll need to create a site, create a layout, connect your site to dynamic data, customize content with localization, and then publish your site. Other things are already done per default. So as you can see, if you start with blank, make sure first of all to get started with this, finish this, because this will help you get out of like, if you are a beginner and you don't know nothing, this will help you out. And as you can see, there's even a tutorial on how to start using some stuff. As an example, you find and install some apps in Designer and a lot of other stuff. You can go through a tutorial. I guess you can access the tutorial somewhere like, yeah, I guess this one. So video tutorials, if you click on it, as you can see, a lot of tutorials like videos, how intro to HTML and CSS, intro to designer, like the box model, elemental hierarchy, navigator, elemental panel, a lot of things. So a lot of things. If you want to add and don't know how, you can simply watch a video. For example, intro into HTML and CMS. As you can see, a small video here that will show you a lot. So of course, for me, I'll not play the video, but as you can see, a lot of things that will get you running, as you can see, without any problems. So it will give you an idea on how to start using it, and of course you can expand those skills that you watch from this video. Of course they will not give you a lot. You will have to watch, as you can see, a lot of tutorials to understand more about it, but this is just an intro and we'll tell you exactly a little bit of information. So if you stuck with anything, you can simply watch one of those videos. So as you can see here, that if you start by like a blank website, so empty one, there is nothing. So it's all for you to add layout, to add pages, to add a lot of stuff. But so for me, I'll just go back to the dashboard, even go back a little bit. So I'll delete this site. Oh, sorry, I mean to archive it, like it's like deleting it. So it's this, and I'll have to do, I guess, this one. So like that, 1E and this. So what if we start by templates? Example, I'll just go to professional again, new site, select the templates instead of beginning by new. So as you can see here, you have a lot of templates here to choose from. Instead of choosing free and paid, I'll just choose free options, free templates. Of course, you can, if you want to pay for something, you can simply just look for paid. If you're looking for a good template, as you can see, some of them are expensive, some of them are cheap. So depending on whatever suits you, of course, you can check it out, preview the template before buying it. The same will be for free. So if you like a template like this one, you can preview it before like start using it. So if you like, as an example, all you need to do is simply go and click on use this template and give it a name. So as an example, testing web as an example, and then click on create site, and the site will be created with the templates that you choose. Once you choose that template, and they will give you, of course, or they will get you into the builder, the same builder that we were before in, but we will not find a blank website. We'll find the website that's already made with this in place. As you can see, everything on it. So here, navigator will find our body, what's on it. I will be able to add anything that we want, like in a blank website. But here, as you can see, a lot of things already done. So all I need to do is just change, as an example, the logos, change the layout, change the colors if I want to. I don't have to do a lot of stuff. So as you can see, so of course, first of all, like once your project is created, you'll enter here. As you can see, this is called the Webflow Designer, and this is where you will build inside your website. Of course, on the left side, you will find like the tools for adding some element like divs, text, images, like here. As an example, if you click on this plus button, you'll be able to find a lot of things to add. And of course, on the right side features, here's the side panel where you can adjust like properties like sizes, color, margins, spend more time exploring like the interface to get more comfortable with where everything is located. As an example, so let me just go and click maybe on something like that. So you can see I'll be able on the right side to edit a lot of things like size, colors, a lot of things. So as you can see, backgrounds, borders, effects, if I want to add some effects, even some custom properties if I want to. And now it's time for you basically to start adding your elements and customize your website however you want. Once you finish, of course, you'll be able to publish it and you will be good to go. So of course, you can publish on the domain that they give you, which is a little bit bad. Or you can simply just add your custom domain connected. If you have one, if you don't, just go and buy one that connects it, and you'll be good to go to publish it on your custom domain. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. So goodbye.